Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, we will learn how to use the index function in Google Sheet. We have some data here that includes products, product IDs and price. All the products there, IDs and price are listed. Now using the index function, we want to retrieve the values in row 3 and place it in cell A10. Here what we do, type is equal to and then start typing index. As soon as you do that, it will ask you for three things: the array, the row and the columns. For the array, you can select the entire range that contain the data. If we are working with a one-dimensional array, you can select that array which is fine to. You can select that array which is fine to specific row, like row 3 selected it and press enter. You see that headphone automatically appears because it's the third item in the array. Now if we change the row numbers to 4, you see keyboard appears. If we set it to 7, and there's nothing in the 7th row, you get a reference error. When you change into 5, you see mouse appears. In a similar manner, if you have more than one column, you can use the index function to retrieve values. For example, if I want the price of a smartphone, which in the second row and third column, I would use the index function to select the second row and third column. Press enter, which will give me the price of $500. If you want the price of a keyboard instead, which is in the fourth row, and the price will be appeared. You can retrieve any other values in same way using the index function. So that how the index function works. I hope this video helped you understand it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.